In a world marked by diversity of cultures, beliefs, and political systems, the notion of justice has been a beacon that illuminates the path towards a more equitable and free society. Frequently, however, we have become accustomed to hearing news reports of minorities claiming to have the most varied requests or desires recognized as right. For example, the right to death with dignity. In reality, we are speaking about euthanasia. Or the right to reproductive health, to refer to abortion, and to physical and free from compromised pleasure. Even situations that no person has the minimum power to be able to confer or ensure to others are claimed as rights. For example, the right to be happy is a fullness, it is foolish. The right to gender identity, the right of self-realization. Why? Because the old realistic conception of justice and law has been lost. It's no longer believed that this emanates from God, from the reason, or from human nature. On the contrary, they pragmatically consider rights to be a product of social consensus, in which the law of whoever knows how to promote himself or self himself best is imposed as if it were a new ideological colonization.